Morning breaking over Milan. By the time people woke up here, normal life had been suspended. After nearly 6,000 cases of COVID-19 and more than 300 deaths, in the early hours the Italian Prime Minister announced drastic limits on people's lives.
Noi vogliamo garantire la salute dei cittadini.
We want to protect the health of all citizens. We are aware that this will create unease and that these measures will be a sacrifice, big and small. But this is the time to be responsible.
16 million people are now living under strict conditions. The entire region of Lombardy, home to the financial capital Milan, is under lockdown. But so are more than a dozen provinces and Venice. You can't enter or leave these red zones without an exceptional reason. Gatherings like weddings and funerals are suspended. Restaurants and cafes can open till 6 p.m, but must keep customers 1 metre apart. Unfortunately, many people slipped out of the region before the shutters came down. News of the lockdown was leaked last night, giving people the chance to flee south. People are being urged to stay put and stay at home. But Sophie Bevan, whose family lives not far from Milan, says some are ignoring the rules and no one's really enforcing them.
People are still going on trips, they're still going down the supermarkets. Luckily, as of this weekend, they've closed all the shopping centres. The shopping centres are now closed every weekend. They're open during the week, but they're closed every weekend. But you'll get groups of kids who have nothing to do at home, who will take a bus, because the buses are still running, and go down to the local shopping centres and hang out, as if there were nothing wrong. And people just don't appreciate the seriousness of it.
Perhaps to ram it home, the Italian government has released these pictures of a woman in her 60s with coronavirus being flown by military helicopter to a Lombardy hospital.